snails. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Our four-fifths are reckless and one-fifth a jack. I push like a daisy through old sidewalk cracks. Yeah, my kind of crazy, still running its courses with wildflowers and wild horses. It's in water in my veins. That red heaven falls like rain. So I'm taking care of either way. Make something out of how I made until I hitch a ride on glory's train. I found generations of blazing a trail through barbed wire and valleys and overgrown dales. I'm barefoot and bareback and born tough as nails. Wildflowers and wild horses. Now here. Make them less so often. My honey bee. You can see, baby, I know it's that me, it's the soul. Move it up, down, up, right, oh, till I like it to know. It's that me.
One hour later.